The GoPro Max 2 has been creating quite a buzz in the tech world, with leaked details sparking excitement and curiosity. But what's really going on here? Is this the game changer we've been waiting for? Or is there more to the story than meets the eye? Today, we're diving deep into the leaks, the rumors, and the possibilities. Let's explore what we know and what we can only guess about the upcoming GoPro Max 2. It all started with a leaked image of the GoPro Max 2, and instantly, the internet was flooded with reactions. While some were excited, others raised their eyebrows. The big question, is this really what we've been waiting for? The leak came from Quadro News, a site known for its reliable DJI scoops, but they've occasionally shared info about GoPro 2. While their track record is solid, we can't ignore the doubts, especially given the photo's odd design choices. One of the most interesting things about this supposed Max 2 leak is the centered lenses. GoPro's 360 cameras, like the Fusion and the Max, have always featured offset lenses to help with stitching footage seamlessly. But this new design, the lenses are smack in the middle. Why the change? Could this finally solve the annoying blind spot right beneath the camera? Or is it just an optical illusion? We'll need to wait and see, but it's an intriguing shift in design philosophy. Next up, cooling fins. Now, if you've ever used a GoPro, you know that they've traditionally been built with rugged, rubberized casings. These materials are tough, but not the best at handling heat. So why then would the Max 2 need cooling fins? Could it be that GoPro's packing in more processing power for higher resolutions or some other demanding feature? Or is this just a design element that we're overanalyzing? One thing's for sure, this unusual feature raises more questions than answers. Here's where things get exciting. Could the GoPro Max 2 offer an insane 99.3K resolution? If GoPro uses the same sensor as the Hero 12, that would mean a massive upgrade in video quality, nearly 50% better than the Insta360 X4's 8K footage. If this turns out to be true, GoPro could seriously outshine its competition, delivering ultra-high resolution shots that leave other 360 cameras in the dust. Another rumor making waves is automatic in-camera reframing. This could be a huge leap forward in the 360 camera world. No more worrying about editing software to manually adjust keyframes. The Max 2 might just handle it all automatically. This would be a massive time saver for creators looking to shoot and share 360 videos with minimal hassle. If GoPro can pull this off, it might just change the way we think about 360 cameras. Of course, GoPro is facing some stiff competition from Insta360. The X4 is already making waves, and GoPro's delays have raised concerns. But don't count GoPro out just yet. The 360 camera market is still growing, and with GoPro's reputation, loyal fan base, and major investments in research and development, they're in a strong position to make a comeback. Plus, GoPro's active legal battles with Insta360 suggest that they're not backing down without a fight. The GoPro Max 2 leaks have raised a lot of intriguing possibilities, from the centered lenses to the mysterious cooling fins. While it's clear that GoPro is taking their time to perfect the Max 2, we're left with more questions than answers. Will it live up to the hype? Can it take on the competition? Only time will tell. One thing's for sure, GoPro is far from out of the game. What do you think of these leaks? Are you excited for the GoPro Max 2? Or do you think it's just more of the same? Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on this highly anticipated release.